In this video, I'll show you how to make money with OpenArt AI with a full OpenAI tutorial. The method we're using is creating a viral AI influencer on Instagram and turning that into a real income stream through promotions, brand deals, and affiliate marketing, and right now this space is growing insanely fast. I'll show you a few AI influencers on Instagram that are already doing this. Influencers are taking over the AI scene. Just look at Itana Lopez. She is made by AI, and her creators are making over $10,000 a month, which is honestly crazy if you think about it. As you can see, the images she posts are just as real as real human beings. And the shocking part is, there are also reels that look completely natural. If you randomly came across her profile, you probably wouldn't even realize it's AI. And that's exactly why this works so well. Now here's the reality that most people don't talk about. A lot of people try this, but they fail. And the reason is not because the method doesn't work, it's because their AI character is not consistent. The face slightly changes in every image, the lighting feels off, the vibe is different, and slowly the illusion breaks. Once that happens, people lose interest and the page never grows. So the main goal here is not just to create an AI influencer, but to create a consistent AI influencer that looks like the same person in every single post, every reel, and every scenario. That's what builds trust, and that's what allows you to actually monetize it. So, let's go step by step and build this properly from scratch. The first step is creating your base image. This is the foundation of your entire influencer, so you want to do this carefully. We're going to use ChatGPT to generate a high-quality prompt, because better prompts lead to better results. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a detailed prompt for an AI influencer. Be very specific with your description. For example, you can say an American girl, long blonde hair, blue eyes, confident smile, soft natural lighting, realistic skin texture, casual outfit like a crop top and jeans. The more detailed your prompt is, the more realistic your result will be. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and then use the link in the description to go directly to OpenArt so you can follow along exactly. Inside OpenArt, go to Image Generation and click on Create Image. Paste your prompt there, turn on Auto Polish to enhance the quality, and select the Nano Banana Pro model because it gives very realistic results. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, resolution to 2K, and keep the quantity at 1, so you can focus on getting a perfect base image. Then hit generate and wait a few seconds. You'll see a highly realistic image appear, and this is going to be your base character. Take your time here, and if you don't like the result, tweak your prompt slightly and generate again until you get something that looks perfect. Once you're happy with it, download the image because we'll use it in the next steps. Now, step 2 is one of the most important steps in the entire process, and this is where most beginners completely mess up. You need to generate multiple angles of the same person. Without this, your influencer will not stay consistent across different images. So take your base image and click on Edit Image inside OpenArt. Now describe the same woman turning slightly to the left and generate it. Then do the same for the right side, and also generate a back view. You can even go a step further and create slightly zoomed-in versions or different facial angles. Download all of these images because these will act as reference points. What you're doing here is training the system to understand the full structure of your character's face and body from multiple perspectives. This is the exact trick that allows your AI influencer to look like the same person in every single post later on. If you skip this step, you'll keep getting different faces every time, and your account will never feel real. Now, step 3 is building your character identity, and this is where things really start to feel real and structured. Go to the character section inside OpenArt and click on Create a Character. Choose the option to start from an image and upload your base image that we created earlier. Then you'll see an option to add more reference images. So go ahead and upload all the additional angles you generated, like the left side, right side, and back view. This step is extremely important, because the more references you provide, the stronger and more stable your character identity will be. It basically locks in the face and prevents those weird changes that usually happen when generating new images. Now I'm going to give my influencer a name, and I'll name her Emily. Giving your character a realistic name makes a huge difference, because now it actually feels like a real person, instead of just a random AI model. This also helps later when you're building an Instagram page, because people connect more with something that feels human. After naming your character, the next step is to write a background story. And this is something most people skip, but it actually plays a big role in consistency. You don't need anything complicated, just a simple description of who she is and what kind of content she posts. For example, Emily is a modern American lifestyle influencer who shares content about everyday fashion, fitness routines, travel experiences, and simple daily moments. She has a confident but relaxed personality. She enjoys coffee shop mornings, gym sessions, and casual city walks. Her overall vibe is very natural and effortless. This keeps everything looking consistent and high quality across all posts. You can even add small personality traits like she's outgoing, friendly, and slightly playful, because all of this contributes to making the character feel more alive. Once you've filled all of this in, go ahead and click Create, and now you've officially built your own AI influencer with a locked identity that you can use again and again without losing consistency. This step might seem optional, but it actually helps a lot with consistency. It gives your character a fixed identity and vibe, which reflects in the content you generate later. Now step 4 is content creation. And this is where you start building your Instagram page. Select your character and then go back to ChatGPT. Upload your character image and ask it to generate multiple Instagram-style prompts. For example, ask for content ideas like sitting at a cafe, walking in a city, working out at a gym, taking mirror selfies, traveling to aesthetic locations, or even casual home moments. You can also ask for captions and hashtags to make your posts more engaging. Take one prompt and go back to OpenArt. Click on the character you just created and then select Character Image option from the drop-down menu. Paste it and generate the image. What you'll notice immediately is that even though the environment, outfit, and background change, the face remains exactly the same. This is the power of a properly built AI character. You can repeat this process and create dozens of posts in a very short time. You're basically building full content library without ever picking up a camera. Now step 5 is where you take things to the next level by turning your images into videos. This is extremely important because video content performs much better on platforms like Instagram. Go to the image to video feature inside OpenArt, choose a video model, and then add a motion prompt. This can include small details like natural blinking, slight head movement, subtle camera shake, or even walking animations. Generate the video and watch the result. The movement looks smooth, the lighting adjusts naturally, and it genuinely feels like a real person was recorded. This is exactly the kind of content that can go viral. Now imagine this at scale. You can create a full weekly posting schedule. For example, coffee shop content on Monday, gym content on Wednesday, travel content on Friday, and lifestyle reels on the weekend. Over time, your page starts to look like a real influencer's life, and people begin to follow, engage, and trust the content. Now, let's talk about how you actually make money from this, because that's the main goal. Once your account starts growing and getting engagement, you can monetize it in several ways. Brands will pay you to promote their products in your posts and reels. You can join affiliate programs and add links in your bio to earn commissions. You can also sell shoutouts to smaller pages or even create your own brand later on. Some creators even build multiple AI influencer accounts and scale this into a full business. The best part is that you don't need to show your face, you don't need expensive gear, and you don't need to spend hours recording videos. You're using AI to create a digital personality that works for you. But again, the key is consistency. If your character looks different every time, or your content feels random, it won't work. You need to treat your AI influencer like a real person, with a consistent look, lifestyle, and personality. If you stay consistent with posting, and keep improving your content quality, this can turn into a serious income stream over time. If you want to start creating your own AI influencer, and follow this exact process, use the link in the description to try OpenArt and start building your AI content today.